Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where a creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your Independent Stampin Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be working with the Next Destination stamp set, along with the 2023 to 2025 in color 6x6 designer series paper. But of course, before we get started on our project, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So I have up first our paper pumpkin kit for July, Fun in the Sun. You have until July 10th to subscribe to get this particular paper pumpkin kit, and there is a link in the description box below to do so. This kit makes 9 cards, and it comes with a summertime ephemera pack and a Daffodil Delight stamping spot. We have our designer series paper on sale still for 15% off until the end of June. It includes most of the designer series paper that are in the annual catalog and one of the online exclusives, which is the Hello Irresistible. So most of the 12x12 designer series paper that is not specialty is on sale, and some 6x6, okay? This is our host code for the month of June in 2023. This is the code I would like for you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, do not use this host code because you'll qualify for Stampin' Rewards. And Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up, and we don't want you to miss out on that. And if you're going to spend more than $99, I think you should purchase our starter kit. A starter kit is $99 plus tax. You usually get to choose $125, but during this promotion for June only, you get to choose $155 worth of products of your choice. That's an extra $30 more, okay? This kit is customizable, like I said, of your choice, $155. And I would really appreciate it if you would join Honeybee Stampin' Hive if you want to join Stampin' Up. Lastly, we have our mystery boxes. These are medium flat rate boxes for the USPS that I have filled with about $200 worth of new and used retired Stampin' Up product. I'm only charging $40 each for this big box of products. Shipping is included in that price. I can only sell in the US, and all sales are final. And that concludes our buzzworthy business of the day. So let's get started on our project. I am creating a card that I seen over from Karen Titus. It is a fun, sort of a fun fold, but not a fun fold. It's a, I say, a surprise fold. I'm trying to get this, make sure this is in the camera. So we have a 6x6 piece of designer series paper here, and we're going to score it at 1.5 on all 4 sides. 1.5, Shauna, not 2.5. So on all 4 sides, we're going to use our Simply Scored board with this tool. And, let me make sure I'm at 1.5 on all 4 sides. So that's all we need that for. And we're going to fold and burnish on our score lines. Whoops, I'm dropping stuff here. So let me get my bone folder. And we're going to burnish our score lines. This is a real quick and easy way to make a card that looks so difficult, and it's not. And that's why I love it. Okay, so now we have all 4 of our score lines burnished. We're going to take some scissors and cut all the squares out of the corners. And you want to cut away the score line as well. So I'm cutting on the outside of the score line so that the score line is on this square, okay? Okay, so now that we have all 4 corners cut out, what we're going to do, you choose whichever side you want out. So if you want your polka dots on the inside, you will fold them this way. If you want your stripes on the inside, you'll fold it this way, okay? And we're going to have our stripes going on the inside. So what you're going to do is start with one of these flaps, take the corner. It doesn't matter which corner you do, but whichever corner you do, you got to do that same corner on all the flaps. And we're just going to fold it over just like that, and we make sure we burnish it. Then we turn, go to the next one, make sure you fold the same corner And you just do that all the way around till you get all 4 of them done. Okay, now once you have all 4 of these done, this is the trick. You just fold it like a box top. So you push the first one in, the second one, the third one, and then this flap. You want all of these parts to be on the outside. So see how it's 2 polka dots? You want to take this in and tuck it. Okay, that's it. Now on Karen, she left these open. I want to glue mine down. I'm going to use tear and tape. Okay, so now I have all 4 of those secured down. We're going to do some stamping. So I have a piece here that is 2 7/8 by 2 7/8. And I am going to get some copper clay. By the way, this is copper clay. So I'm going to get my copper clay classic stamping pad. And I am going to stamp this image of the backpack from our stamp set. I'm going to stamp it right down here in the corner. Just like that. And on the inside, which I'm going to use almost all the sentiments in here. Let me see. I can't see without putting my head in the way. I think this will go. I want to make sure to fit on there. And we're going to put this right here. Just like that. Enjoy your next adventure. So that's it for that piece. Then I have a piece that is 5 1/4 by 4. And we're going to stamp across the bottom on this one. Let me see. I want to put this image. This is of the passport. And I want to put that right on the bottom here, just like that. And I don't think this is going to fit with that on there. No, it's not. So we're going to put time to make new memories. Going to try to get that straight right there. And then one more thing to stamp. I have another piece of basic white that is 3 1/2 by 4 3/4. And that's where we're going to stamp Explore, Dream, Discover. And then we're going to stamp a picture of like a ticket and some shades. Where do I want to put this? I think I'm going to put this at the bottom here. Just like that. So that is all of our stamping done. So now let's get to hearing our card together. So I have another piece of designer series paper, the same paper, and this is 4 by 5 1/4. And we're going to glue down our inside piece to it. We're going to take this piece and we're going to glue it to the inside of this with our liquid adhesive. Try to center that in there, making sure you're not touching the score lines so that everything can fold up properly. Then we have our card base here at 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5 1/2. And we are going to glue our inside in our card. And then we're going to take the front of our card here and glue that to the front of the card base. Just like this. And then we have another piece of the copper clay that is 3 1/4 by 3 1/4. because once you fold this up, it is 3 by 3. So we're going to fold this up. We're going to put glue all on the back. Okay, and we're going to center this onto our 3 1/4 square here. Okay, so now we're going to open this up to make sure we have the right side up, and we're going to put some glue on the back of this square. And we're going to center this onto our card front, but making sure you have it right side, the right side facing up. Okay, so let me close it just so I can see to get this central. Okay, and then we're going to use some of the 2023 to 2025 in color dots. We're going to get us some of this copper clay. We're going to put one right here. One here. Then I think I want to put, let's see, maybe one right here, just like that. Okay, so let me show you again the box fold. Doesn't matter which one you start with, just make sure you go one after the other. And then this last one, we're gonna tuck in, just like that. Okay, isn't that cute? Take time to make new memories. Explore, dream, discover. Then you pop it open, enjoy your next adventure. I like that. And let me show you, I made it in the pebbled path. And on this one, you can see I stamped the different sentiment down here. Same on the inside. And this one, instead of the backpack, it uses the little hat box and camera. Okay. And on this one also, the reason why it's not pushing all the way open right here is because I use dimensionals to hold this up. Instead of the tear and tape, I put dimensionals there, and I don't like it because it doesn't allow it to open up all the way. So yeah. Then we're going to take this one and tuck it in. But that is our card for today. Isn't it cute? I like it. Thanks, Karen, for such a great idea. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.